AJ सर माय डायरेक्टर फ्रॉम डे वन उनका एक ही ये था, आई एम नॉट मेकिंग अ पेट्रियोटिक फिल्म,
Yeah,
दिस इज अ पॉलिटिकल ड्रामा.
right.
That's why in the entire film the Tiranga is shown for 20 seconds. A lot of my lefty friends also
Correct.
found that film to be
Informative.
very nice. Topic touchy है, लेकिन अगर लोग एक बार देखेंगे तो उनको पता चल जाएगा
समझ आ
कि यार
जाएगा.
अब जो है वो है. I was like यार अगर ये touchy topic है भी
Yeah,
and if people start talking about it,
yeah.
I'm sure they'll see the film and then they'll watch my work. मेरे घर पे तो ऐसा था कि यार we are proud of you.
So sweet.
We're so proud of you that you're a part of a film which is so important.
Hi, this is Raj Shukla from Take One Filmy, and today I have with me Skan Thakur. I was about to say the very cool, the very charming. Like no, पता चल जाएगा खुद से.
नहीं.
How are you?
पता चल जाएगा, सही है.
खुद ही पता चल जाएगा थोड़ी देर में देख के.
I'm good, how are you?
All good.
Been traveling.
I know. It feels like हम अभी पहली बार बात कर रहे हैं.
चलो.
15 मिनट की गॉसिप हम हटा रहे हैं अभी यहाँ से. He's been giving some fitness tips which he's not giving. He's supposed to give. But tell me, how your team is saying that you've gotten leaner.
Yeah, that's what she's saying. But she's not wrong. I've worked pretty hard in the last 3 months. Fortunately, एक बहुत अच्छा nutritionist who's also my friend. He's been asking me to, get a 12-week program done with him since a very long time. And me being me, I'm like lazy. मैं बोला यार कौन 12 हफ्ते डाइट करेगा?
Right.
He's like, do it once, you'll know the difference. So I think that made a lot of difference because 12 weeks I did with, I lost some 7.5-8 kgs. And in the last 10 days I have not been getting the time to work out or eat properly. लेकिन फिर भी I'm still there. Like I'm still there. So Ashish, I don't know if he's gonna watch this, but Ashish, thank you Ashish.
What's up? काम कैसा चल रहा है? You've been doing some amazing work. Khalbali
Yeah.
Records were out soon.
Yeah.
चलो, let me be very predictable. Let me just talk about Khalbali Records first because अभी एकदम थाली पे तासा है. How did you get it?
Audition? How else will I
As
get
in-
it? How else will I get it? No one is sitting with scripts for me. I have
As
to
in-
audition.
Tell me the audition story. That's what I meant.
Yeah, nothing. Yeah, just another audition like every day जो हमें
Right.
आते हैं.
अच्छा,
And
okay.
Yeah. The only difference was that I don't know if anyone's ever told you this or no, but 2 टाइप के auditions होते हैं.
Okay.
एक जो आपको पता है कि आपको देना है जाके, और एक होता है जो आपको करना है. Like
समझ
this
गया.
one you want to do, this one you want to back.
Right.
So this one I wanted to do.
अच्छा.
Clear reason was music, DHH, Desi Hip Hop, something that I've been following for a very long time. तो ये तो मेरे को करना ही था. So I was as prepared as I would be for any other audition, but I was very persistent. Like I never follow up after my auditions.
Oh, आज इसमें किया?
इसमें मैंने follow up किया. मैं बोला यार पूछो ना हुआ कि नहीं, और have I been shortlisted? What is happening? This one I did. This one I was like no, I ये मेरे को करना है. So I know मेरे हाथ में नहीं है कुछ भी, but I was still following up a lot. That am I gonna get it? And fortunately, when I was auditioning, Devanshu, my director, was in the office.
अच्छा, okay.
तो ऐसा हो गया कि उन्होंने ही ऑडिशन ले लिया. Which is a very good thing कि यार डायरेक्टर सामने बैठा है, तुम सामने ऑडिशन दे दो, फिर बाद में स्ट्रेस नहीं है. क्योंकि sometimes what happens is director gives the casting person a brief,
Filter चला
फिर वो brief चीजें मिस हो जाती हैं.
Right.
गॉसिप मिस हो जाती है यार, तो ये तो मिस हो ही जाएगा.
वो नहीं miss कर सकते.
So but fortunately he was there, and then we had 6 more rounds of auditions after that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. For different reasons. कभी look के लिए, कभी दूसरा scene करके देख लो कैसा है. Also it was such a which Devanshu told me later कि यार it was such a big show. I couldn't take it lightly. So I had to do so many rounds.
Right.
I was like सर आप तो 6 और कर लेते हैं, 9 भी कर लेते हैं, उसमें क्या है.
करना था मुझे.
Yeah. So that's how it.
But you said follow up में कभी ऐसा डर नहीं लगता कि does it happen to you कि मैंने कम किया follow up तो कहीं निकल ना जाए,
हाँ.
ज़्यादा पीछे पड़ गया तो irritate ना हो जाए वो.
I in fact think कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
अच्छा.
आप follow up करो चाहे ना करो. If it's yours,
Right.
it's yours. If you've given a good audition, if the makers like you, अगर आपकी look बैठती है, कैरेक्टर में, आपका परफॉर्मेंस बैठता है, इफ दे फील कॉन्फिडेंट ना, यू गोना गेट इट. आप फॉलो अप करो चाहे ना करो,
सब लिखा हुआ है.
सब लिखा हुआ है यार, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लाइक ऐसा भी नहीं है, देयर हैव बीन प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट आई हैव फॉलोड अप बट it didn't work out.
It didn't work out, right?
So it makes no difference. And there are projects which I actually forgot about कि मैंने ऑडिशन दिया भी है, उसमें shortlist, select, सब चलता रहता है.
You know, you were telling a very good story about Article 370.
Yeah.
How you got it?
Yeah.
Audition दिया. Just tell me that again now.
So it was one of the most terrible days that I was having last year.
While the audition came to you.
Yeah.
अच्छा, right.
It was a terrible day. Emotionally, mentally, I was not feeling well at all. और मेरा कोई मूड नहीं था ऑडिशन देने का. First reason. Second reason मेरे को ये लगा यार इतना अच्छा पार्ट है इस फिल्म में.
Very good role it was.
हाँ मतलब on paper it was very nice.
On screen also.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
खुद तो नहीं बोलूँगा.
Yeah, I've seen it twice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. But मेरे को लगा यार who's going to give this part to me? इतना तो मैंने काम नहीं किया ना कि कोई मुझे फिल्म दे दे. और फिल्म दे भी सकता है बट थोड़ा बहुत कुछ पार्ट हो तो मुझे समझ सकता है, बट इतना ऐसा पार्ट तो मुझे कोई नहीं देगा फिल्म में. So I was like, यार this is just another, I think a formality audition or something, or maybe these casting people want to send out a few options कि भाई देखो we have good actors and we have a few options. That's why they are doing it. So I was like, I don't want to do it. और मूड भी ऐसे ही ठीक नहीं था. And I was going for a Eid lunch to my friend's place. And he stays right next to the office where I was supposed to audition. And I told him कि यार I'll be an hour late because I have an audition. But then I called him again. Listen, I'm coming now.
नहीं चाहिए.
बिरयानी खाते हैं.
फिर जाएंगे.
मैं शाम को कर लूँगा. He's like, why? Just go now ना. It's just next door. Give it and then come. खाना कहाँ भाग रहा है? हम सब यहीं पे हैं. नहीं यार shit.
ये भी बोल रहे जाने को.
ये इस मूड में मैं गया था.
I get it. Yeah.
But primarily the bigger reason was that I thought no one will take me in a film.
Right.
This is a part for someone who's done more work than I have.
Which is what you felt.
Yeah, someone who's done a few more web shows, someone who's a little more known. Again, another lesson learned in life, eye opener. Yeah. Like I said, it does not, like you said, it does not matter if you follow up or not.
Right.
If you've given a good audition, and if you think that you've done a decent job, and if it's yours, it is yours. Yeah. No one can take it. I got locked in less than 24 hours.
Wow.
दोपहर को 1 बजे ऑडिशन दिया था. अगले दिन सुबह 11-12 बजे I was.
You finalized.
Yeah, because that film was being made in उल्टा गिनती.
अच्छा, okay.
ये I think पहली फिल्म होगी हमारी इंडस्ट्री में जिसके पास रिलीज डेट पहले थी.
Oh.
Even before we started shooting.
They had a release date?
Yeah.
Wow.
Even before we started shooting, we had a release date.
ऐसा होता नहीं है usually.
नहीं.
पुश होता चला जाता है.
नहीं. इसमें काउंटडाउन चल रहा था. So उल्टी गिनती पे शूट हो रहा था ये.
कितना दिन लगा शूट में?
I think total were 45 days. 45 to 50 days if I'm not wrong.
Your part.
My part?
हाँ.
My part was 25-26 days.
Okay, but 45 days is still very less considering amount.
No, it's just 40 days. It's just 40 days. 45. It's between 35 and 40. I'll tell you why. Because Yami ma'am had the highest number of shoot days in the film, and then it was me.
Okay.
It was so.
Just you were thinking.
It was so funny. It was so funny, and I know this because the production guys kept telling me कि यार कुछ और sign मत कर लेना for next 2-3 months.
Right.
But I was like, why? मेरा खत्म हो जाएगा ना. इतना सा. Then नहीं बेटा इतना नहीं है. इसको time लगेगा shoot करने में. You're the second highest by the number of shoot days. After Yami ma'am, it's you. So you can't mess up your dates.
Right.
हम फंस जाएंगे. That's how I knew that it was somewhere around 35 days, excluding all the patchwork and everything. So yeah, I think 25 days.
But बहुत जल्दी shoot हो गया considering जिस level की वो film थी, because वो कश्मीर में shoot हुआ.
Yes.
So एक तो वो कश्मीर में शूट हुआ, right? And बहुत सारे scenes ऐसे थे, I felt I might be wrong, but वो लगा नहीं कि वो sets पे थे. Some real locations were also थे क्या real locations?
I think 98% of it was on real locations.
Oh wow, कैसा था? वहाँ crowd आ जाता था. How was it shooting?
Kashmir was very nice, very beautiful. obviously a little like we were supposed to be careful about us, about everyone around us. We were supposed to be careful. मैं यूनिफॉर्म में घूम रहा था, ठीक है? तो हमें तो मतलब बोलते थे कि यार don't just loiter around in the uniform, because our uniforms that we were wearing, CRPF, were made by the central government. Yeah, so they were not made by some random. It was not done by a costume designer. No. The costume designer was sent to the main center जहाँ पे CRPF के कपड़े बनते हैं, उनके यूनिफॉर्म्स बनते हैं, वहाँ से हमारे यूनिफॉर्म बन के आए थे. तो if I was just carrying a dummy gun in my hand and my clothes and my shoes, I was an officer, so we had to be careful. Yeah, we had to be careful. Your question ki real locations, how did you pull it off? That's the brilliance of B62 and Aditya Dhar. Right. That's the level of prep they can manage to do. कि आप बोलो कि आपको क्या शूट करना है. They'll get it prepped and done within schedule, and that's how great it looks when it's on screen. You know what I mean? So I big kudos to both the Dhar brothers, AD sir and Lokesh sir. They were so good in their prep. Sub real locations. Sub. They've shot in the parliament also. So, yeah. That speech? No. That was like I said, 98%. So 2% was PMO, HMO office, and that speech. वो तो real नहीं रख सकते. वो real नहीं था. But outside parliament and all, it was real. Yeah, even the inside, like the बाहर से जो parliament. I get it. जो galleries वगैरह जो होती है. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. That speech I remember. So goosebumps वाली speech. I feel like Amit Shah's speech in the film. I think Kiran sir was playing Amit Shah's character. It was damn good. Good. But tell me something. You know, जब ये lock हो गया, Article 370 lock हो गया, and then of course उसके पहले तो script पूरी नहीं पढ़ी होगी, right? या नहीं हो गई थी reading. लॉक होने के ऑडिशन के टाइम नहीं ऑडिशन के टाइम सीन मिला होगा. कौन सा सीन था ऑडिशन का? ऑडिशन का सीन था लाइब्रेरी वाला. अच्छा, वो जो the Yami and you go to the library in JNK. Yeah. Oh wow. It was that scene. It was a very extensive scene. Yeah. That we auditioned. It's a tricky scene because चलते जाना होता है उसमें. हाँ, तो we didn't shoot that scene जो मैंने ऑडिशन में किया. जो हमने ऑडिशन में किया था, वो बहुत एक्सटेंसिव था, लेकिन जो शूट किया वो भी बहुत एक्सटेंसिव था. बट दैट वाज फिजिकल. देयर वर लॉट ऑफ cuts and dialogues and all of that, and there was something that they were not sure about if they want to keep it or no in the film. But the library chunk was Acha, it was that was my audition. Oh yeah, I remember that scene. Legislative, not assembly, the library. Yeah, state library something. हाँ, वो JNK की state library थी जहाँ पे वो document. Final, the main important document. Yeah, the one document that was missing जहाँ पे वहाँ पे मिलता है. Yeah. मुझे real information इस film से मिली थी. वो कैसा भी होता है, ऐसे भी amend कर सकते हैं, and it was all real. I had no idea about it. Well, I knew कि वो हटा दिया and all that. ये सब पता है, अंदर कैसे हुआ ये मुझे भी नहीं पता था. वही मैं उसी पे आ रहा था. Did you know? Nothing. I got logged. I got the script. I read it, and obviously immediately तो मेरी क्या औकात है, मैं थोड़ा ना जाके पूछूंगा कि सर ये रियल है क्या ये. Like we have to do a film. Relax. But I made sure and I had thought about it कि if I happen to meet the writers, I will at least ask this question. Fortunately, the writers became such good friends of mine on set. Monal, great guy. What research to a level where I got this cross-checked by lawyer friends of mine, and they were like, yes, this is true, this is exactly how it happens, and this is exactly how it happened. Wow. Also, you can't just misinform people. वो भी ऐसा चीज का थोड़ा dramatize कर सकते हो आप चीजों को, all that is fine, but this chunk was so important. वो बनाई ही इसलिए थी ना ताकि लोगों को पता चले. हाँ, मतलब we were a little nervous also because we thought कि यार ये कहीं ज़्यादा boring ना हो जाए for people to understand. Because that was too much information. Yeah. But when we saw the film, we were like, नहीं यार, anyone can understand this. So thorough research done, and I sat with Monal and he's like, bro, I have spent months and months doing research. I have sat with multiple people. And I found this information out, and it's legit, and this is exactly how it happened. जब ये आया, like I said, जब script पढ़ा and all that,
अब हो तो गया था because you said कौन लेगा से लेके you got locked sign सब हो गया. Did you ever get apprehensive कि यार this might be a touchy topic? Yeah, it was you took it like अच्छा part मिल गया है, मुझे सब कुछ मिल रहा है, I'll just shoot it.
Yeah.
That was that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if I can be a little shameless,
You can.
I was like, यार अगर ये touchy topic है भी,
Yeah.
and if people start talking about it,
Yeah.
I'm sure they'll see the film and then they'll watch my work. तो उसके बाद कोई काम दे देगा यार. So,
Love it.
yeah, I was like, it is a touchy topic.
Yeah.
But we had this discussion. I had a discussion with my parents also. I told them कि यार this is the film that I'm doing and मेरे घर पे तो ऐसा था कि यार we are proud of you.
So sweet.
We're so proud of you that you're a part of a film which is so important.
Important and big both.
It's big, it's important, it's so informative, it's something that people should know. And I told them the entire story also, so ऐसा भी नहीं था कुछ misinformation था. AJ sir, my director, from day one, उनका एक ही ये था, I am not making a patriotic film.
Yeah.
This is a political drama.
Right.
That's why in the entire film, the Tiranga is shown for 20 seconds. End में.
Right. End में आता है वो. Right.
Because his motive was not to make
Right.
patriotic film. It was a political thriller.
Yeah.
Is what he wanted to make, and he did.
Yeah.
The film is actually really, really good. I know I might be sounding a little because I am a part of that film, but a lot of my lefty friends also found that film to be very nice.
Yes.
Very well made.
Yes.
So ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. I thought topic touchy है, लेकिन अगर लोग एक बार देखेंगे तो उनको पता चल जाएगा कि यार अब जो है वो है ना.
जो है वो है. Right.
कुछ थोड़ा ड्रामेटाइज तो हर चीज होती है for the audiences, but it was not. There was no false information.
Of course.
It was misleading.
You can't do that. Like on that scale, you cannot misinform.
नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
निकाल देंगे आपकी फिल्म. There are 10,000 suit lawsuits.
अगर वो misinform किया तो कुछ
देश से भी निकाल देंगे यार.
Yeah, that's a big thing. I get it.
I mean, they'll be serving lawsuits for the rest of their lives. So you can't do that. But yeah, I had a little selfish motive also कि चलो ठीक है. देखेंगे. But नहीं, the film was very good.
अभी हम social media का नाम लेते ही हम कहीं देख रहे थे ऐसे. So tell me, she's not bothered at all.
Social media पे ये होगा.
So tell me ना, ये ऐसे pressurizing होता है कि अभी काम तो कर लिया but दिखाना भी है. Unfortunately or fortunately, we are living in that age.
Yeah.
Do you feel pressurized कि ये करना है नहीं करना है, या फिर मजबूरी में डालना है, या फिर वो रील्स बनानी है कैसे तो गुनगुनाए वाली? Sorry, did I get personal? Yeah.
नहीं.
Yeah.
So I don't do that, first of all.
Yeah, okay.
If you go see my profile, it's I only post my work. I only post anything related to my work.
Achha.
That is it. I am not fond of Instagram.
Okay.
I have a very personal bitterness towards Instagram because in the past I have lost work because of it. Because I was not selected for a couple of projects because I didn't have enough followers. Okay. And my apparently my audition was better. I fit the part. Everything. मतलब comparatively मेरा सब कुछ सही था. But मेरे followers नहीं थे और मैं known नहीं था basically. तो मेरे को प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिला. और एक बार नहीं 2 बार हुआ है मेरे साथ. 2-3 बार हुआ है.
वो हेवी प्रोजेक्ट्स थे, अच्छे डिसेंट
प्रोजेक्ट्स थे यार. मतलब मेरे को वो प्रोजेक्ट ना मिलने का इतना दुख नहीं है.
The reason.
वो क्यों ना मिला मेरे को उसका बहुत दुख है. And then I took it personally.
Yeah.
I was like, now I will do work and I will not post on Instagram.
Yeah, and I'll show you that.
And I'll show you कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. My Instagram looks the same since feels like ish. There must be a couple of, even if I post something which is not my work, I do it at my own will. I treat Instagram how it's supposed to be treated.
Yeah. You control Instagram or Instagram नहीं control करता है.
I control Instagram. If I'm in a good mood, if I want to put up a story, I'll put up a story. If I want to post something, I'll post. If I put up something and I don't like it, I'll pull it out a few days later. My work I put up very honestly. वो मैं डालता हूँ क्योंकि अभी ये तुम्हारा basic तुम्हें यही होता है ना कि तुमने किया क्या है दिखाओ, तो अब मैं वही दिखाऊंगा.
हाँ.
अब तुम ये नहीं देखोगे कि मैं क्या खाता हूँ, कहाँ
Yeah.
जाता हूँ, कहाँ रहता हूँ, कहाँ वेकेशन
कितने
कर रहा हूँ.
ट्रांजिशन, स्किन केयर, कुछ नहीं.
Fuck that.
Yeah.
You are not going to see that from me.
Yeah.
And so that's why my bitterness is very personal. I've मतलब बहुत चिढ़ाई थी वो मुझे. I was obviously very upset.
It's sad. It's very sad.
You tell me you don't fit the part. You're a bad actor.
Yeah,
you didn't act well. Your audition was bad. I'll take all of that. This has nothing to do with my profession.
And that's when you're saying your audition was good.
It has nothing to do with my profession. It has nothing to do with filmmaking. It has nothing to do with anything that an actor does. फिर तुम इस बेसिस पे तो मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता. मेरे को apart from all of this, I don't even like getting pictures clicked. I'm very conscious. You roll a camera and I can talk to you like this for 3 days.
Yeah.
But if you tell me कि go stand there, I want to click a picture, I'll start sweating. मेरे को nervousness होती है.
Really?
Yeah, I feel very awkward. यार. क्या है photo?
ऐसे good looking इंसान ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, it's not good.
बहुत awkward लगता है. और क्योंकि complaints आ चुकी है कि post, you have to post. Even now, even something that comes out, Skand, you have to put this up on your story. ऐसी रात को 12 बजे मैसेज आ रहा है, 11 बजे मैसेज आ रहा है, Skand, put this on your story. Skand, collaborate on this post. Skand, post this. ये सब आता रहता है.
I get it, yeah.
And this problem, this one, and even Karina, who looks after my work, is like, post ना. मैं बोला, no, why will I post?
Yeah.
What do you want me to post? You want me to post where I'm going, where I'm eating? I don't want to post.
Yeah.
मैं कुछ काम करूंगा, मैं करूंगा ना post.
Yeah.
तेरे बिना बोले करूंगा.
हाँ.
बट मैं ये सब क्यों करूं? मैं ये प्रेशर क्यों लूं अपने पे यार? कम है क्या ऑलरेडी प्रेशर?
I know.
Should come on यार. Already you have to think about 500 things, auditions, work, no work, good scripts,
Yeah.
bad scripts. If you're not working, there's nothing coming up. So much pressure.
A lot
यार.
of it.
You
Yeah,
know.
I understand. Yeah.
ऊपर से तुम इन
This happens. No, I
फालतू
get it.
चीजों का प्रेशर, and I had nothing to do with it. And I'm doing ना. कर रहा हूँ ना मैं काम.
Yeah.
और काम करूंगा.
For sure.
और इसके बिना करूंगा. And then I'll only put up my work. You come to my profile, see my work, because it's good for business, right?
Yeah.
So now you see my business.
Business is there, yeah.
See my business.
And apart from that is none of your business.
Yeah, apart from that is none of your business.
To
My business is mine.
my business now.
Waste.
So I am not the only one जो सब कुछ देखता है. Taking back to your early audition days now, okay, firstly, how did you break the news to your family about acting? Or they always knew?
No, I'm mad or no, they didn't know anything.
I thought you're born and brought up in Mumbai, तो पता ही दिया होगा.
नहीं यार.
Okay.
So I was born in Himachal.
अच्छा. Okay.
I came to Bombay. My parents got me here when I was 9 months. So pretty
kind
much
of born and brought up, yeah.
born and brought up. मतलब my parents are North Indian parents.
अच्छा, okay.
Less educated, business family.
Right.
मेरा बेटा क्या बनेगा? डॉक्टर इंजीनियर.
Yeah. और IAS officer max.
बस IAS ऑफिसर नहीं, वो तो 5th 6th में पता चल गया था कि IAS वाला मटेरियल नहीं है. But डॉक्टर इंजीनियर.
Yeah.
So that was it. So there was a point where I had to break it to my parents because my college attendance was 0.
So you were also doing the same college, say audition? या
No.
फिर-
So because I wanted to act but I didn't know what to do.
हाँ.
I got my admission in a college nearby Prithvi Theatre.
हाँ, कौन सा कॉलेज है?
रिदम्बरा.
Okay.
वहाँ पे अटेंडेंस का इशू नहीं था.
हाँ,
So I was like,
हाँ.
मैं यहाँ एडमिशन लेता हूँ
हाँ.
और पृथ्वी में जाके I'll just ask someone कि how do you act? How do you start
Yeah.
acting? किया कुछ नहीं मैंने, सिर्फ पृथ्वी जाके रोज बैठ जाता था because I used to be so nervous कि किससे जाके बात करूँ. लेकिन मेरे को ये नहीं समझ आया कि वहाँ पे अटेंडेंस नहीं जा रही. So they called my parents.
Right.
And then they asked me, what are you doing? That's when I told them कि यार, I think this is what I want to do. And they're like, are you crazy? Like I've struggled all my life to get you here, to give you a decent education, and now you also want to start from zero again. Then I told them I don't know anything else to do. I'm not good at studies. But I'm very confident on stage. I love attention. So I think,
like it. I love attention.
Yeah, I love attention. So
Yeah.
I think this is something I'd be great at.
Right.
I don't get nervous when someone puts me on stage and asks me to say something. So I think this might be something I could explore.
Oh.
And God has blessed me with the best parents. वो 6-7 घंटे बहुत टिपिकल ड्रामा हुआ
Yeah,
जो
yeah,
होना
yeah.
चाहिए था घर पे. But till date, they are very supportive.
So sweet.
Till date.
Yeah.
Till date, they are very supportive. Even on the days and months that I'm not working,
Yeah.
it never make me feel any way.
That's a very good thing because
Yeah.
initially आप allow कर देते हो, but then बाद में अगर if your parents are not saying कि देखा हमने बोला था kind of a
हाँ.
thing, that's a very good thing. That's what.
यार साल भर घर पे बैठा हूँ मैं, but they never made me feel.
That's a very good thing.
Yeah.
Wow. But tell me, how do you get this audition? You know, I say now since you've had a
Yeah.
decent work profile, अभी
Yeah.
दिखाने के लिए भी, and people have seen you.
Yeah.
And ये तो होता ही है, like you've been a part of a film like Article 370, जिसमें you have a decent role,
Yeah.
and it's watched by a lot of people. You know, so of course वहाँ से आते ही होंगे casting calls. But how do you now जो audition updates होते हैं? Take me to the casting process ना.
Now तो यार it is so happened that everyone now knows me. There are 10 main casting people, maybe less than 10 if I'm not
Yeah.
wrong, who do 100% of the projects
Yeah.
in our country.
Yeah.
ठीक है, and they all know me. Like now,
So
तो
they
they all
have-
know me.
they
Yeah,
know you.
not because of my work, because I've been there for so long.
They have your profile. Left and right.
left, right, side, सब है उनके पास.
Yeah.
मैं 2015-16 से उनके पास audition दे रहा हूँ.
Right,
I've
right.
done a lot of ads also, and now with the current work that's come out, now they know me. So they know कि अच्छा if there's something they'll call. Previously it used to be where you have to go, you have to introduce yourself, you have to call someone, you have to make sure that your profile reaches them somehow. But now some of them are my good friends also. Kavish is a good friend of mine. All these people are good friends of mine.
Right.
So it's all good now. अभी कोई वैसा सीन
अभी चल रहा है, अभी सिर्फ अच्छा काम आए, काम
बस हाँ, बस उतना ही चाहिए अभी.
touch wood will happen. A lot of I got to know from a lot of actors that initially जब आप casting not casting जब आप auditions देते हो, so ads के requirements आते हैं. So do you remember any weird ad requirements? I'll give you an example. I was told like some people say कि rich looking and इस type के. Have you ever come across such casting requirements?
अभी पढ़ा हूँ एक.
अभी भी आता है. I thought that was done and dusted.
परसों ही आया है.
Shit.
Yeah. Handsome, upmarket.
हाँ, upmarket.
Upmarket, South Bombay, और maybe ऐसा मतलब वो बहुत explicitly लिखते हैं और बोलते हैं, which I don't have a problem with because that's their job. उनको बहुत explicitly बताना पड़ेगा आपको कि वो क्या, what do they want. It was a bit off for me initially when it used to start happening. कि यार ये ऐसे कैसे मुंह पे बोल रहा है कि नहीं उनको मोटे लोग चाहिए.
I know, yeah.
But अब मोटे लोग चाहिए तो चाहिए ना, वो क्या बोलेगा?
Character.
If he needs that, he needs that. And that I realized with time that if this is what the requirement is exactly what they're going to say. If they need a chubby guy, they're going to say a chubby guy. How else are you going to put that out?
Right.
And I'm sure there are requirement है, इसलिए तो आया है ना.
Right.
कि there's a part for a chubby guy or a lanky guy or a tall guy or a short guy or a South Indian accent or a North Indian accent. And if that's the requirement, that's the requirement. अब उसको तुम मतलब बुरा कैसे मान सकते? और and how else are they going to tell you?
लंबा पैराग्राफ तो नहीं लिख सकते
ना. उसको आप कितनी भी अच्छी अंग्रेजी में आप उसको आर्टिकुलेट कर लो. End of the day, that's the message, right? That this casting person wants someone from the south who can do Bharatnatyam and has a tinge of South Indian accent. Right. Simple.
Get it.
But that still happens. What you're saying, वो कुछ auditions में अभी भी आता है. Need a handsome upmarket looking guy. The audition has to be charming with good English and this and that. But I don't have any problem with it.
Shahrukh Khan.
हाँ, reference भी दे देते हैं कभी-कभी. They'll send a reference picture or a reference video or this is how you're supposed to do it. But that's their job. What are you going to do? Don't do the audition if you think they are so bad. You'll do that? No, you'll still get the audition.
Right. What's next?
Right now I am just chilling. Fortunately, there were things that good things that I would want to be a part of came. I don't know if they worked out or no. I still have to hear back. But that's
You're still in the result.
That's normal. No, not even that. It's very initial.
Achha, okay.
It's very initial.
Okay.
But that again is just a part of life. There's nothing exciting about that. Part of my profession. Right now, I'm just trying to push this show as much as I can because no one else is going to do it for me.
Yeah.
So I'm doing it myself, and Tanya is helping me. So me and Tanya are pushing the show through you through other people that we've met before this. I'm trying to put my work out. I have put in a lot of hard work. I think I've done a decent job, is what I've been told. So I'm trying to put out my work so that people know that I am capable, and hopefully get better roles, better parts, better projects, and then let's see how life goes.
For sure. All the best. One thing I can tell you, as an audience, I can simply say you're pretty natural in front of the camera.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's what I've noticed at least. I'm right now. He's very you can't say no also. But no, but you are pretty natural in front of
Thank
the camera because वो article 370 से मुझे पता चला. I thought that was your comfort zone, but there also you look pretty natural. And for all of you who are watching it, please say he's pretty natural because you are. So all the best for
Thank
whatever
you.
comes your way, and just all good things.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure talking
Thank
to
you
you.
so much.